All right, here we go. Continuing on this hot, humid morning, fall, hot, humid morning. I got the Australian Outback 223 Sierra Blitzscreens. Just going to see what they are going feet per second. Got my hearing protection in this time. All right, we got 2852, 2880, 2789. Wow, that dropped almost 100 right there on that last one. First two were good, and then that last one happened, but I can still handle that. I mean, that's is what it is, I guess. But not too bad. I had to adjust my the chrono. I got the Green Demon. So there we go. So roughly, if we take out the last one, I'm just gonna knock.
Smoky Oaks Ballistics Rules 192-7A Appendix 28. Eliminate what doesn't work.
The last one off for right now, just for math reasons. It's 2880, 28, about 75, 70, 28, 70. You throw the last one in, and that's what is that? That's probably about 28, 30 feet per second with that last one. That is a big drop on that, but there you go. I've got so much sweat in my eye right now, it's not even funny. But yeah, that's the Australian Outback Sierra Blitzscreens 55 grain 223s, and that is firing out of a 5.56. So yeah, you probably expect a little bit better. It might also be another reason for the big jump on the last one. Who knows? Shouldn't be, but I'm just too lazy to do another shot just to see. But I'm just gonna leave it at that and keep the mystery going. Thanks for watching. Going in, we've got expansion through the flower. I think we got the bullet in the jug. We didn't get. Be honest, I don't think we got any penetration. I think that bullet just obliterated. Yeah, because there ain't even a hole. Ain't even a hole. So yeah, bullet just obliterated. We got going into board number 1 as scientifically marked by protocol of Smoky Oak. And we have, wow. We didn't even have an exit. The bullet is still inside there. Interesting. So